Discuss about topic what is electronic configuration. Introduction. Electronic configuration, also called the electronic structure, the arrangement of electron in energy levels around an atomic nucleus. Let's discuss about what is will be electronic configuration and element. The atomic number is also known, so how will we know that it fills the orbital? For this some rules have to know first the maximum number of electron present in a given by the formula 2n square. The first orbital for n of value 1. Orbital for n of value 1. The first orbital of n of value 1. So first orbital for 2 into n of value 1 square is equal to 2 will happen. And the second orbital for maximum electron 2 into n of value 2 square is equal to 8 electron will happen. And similarly third orbit for maximum electron electron 2 into n of value 3 square is equal to 18. And fourth orbit for maximum electron 2 into n of value 4 square is equal to 32 electron in field. All of these maximum electron number of electron so can write it like this: orbit number of electron 1 2 3 4 2 8 18 32. So can write it like this: orbit number 1 2 3 4 and number of electron 2 8 18 and 32. Second rule: there should be 8 electron in the outer orbital not more than any these rules for element of electron configuration in remove. And third rule, fill the electron from inside to out. First inner orbital to second electron fill the second orbit. Third rule, fill the electron from inside to out. First inner orbital, second electron fill, then second orbit fill in the 8 electron. So step by step fill in the electron to at 1832. Example, hydrogen element of electronic configuration. Hydrogen element electronic configuration. Hydrogen of atomic number 1. So electronic configuration 1s1. And helium atomic number 2. Electronic configuration 1s2. Similarly to all hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, its element electronic configuration of remove.